Hi Stella, yeah, correct.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
Krishna.
that's nice. So we'll go for the routing mechanism of the React. So the React is having one routing mechanism which will be derived from the React router library DOM, React router DOM library. Through that, we will get the routing mechanism. In general, in the web pages, how like we see like a home about us, and also you see you see some kind of pages. Suppose if you want to go to the home, or if you want to go to the about us, or if you want to go to the contact us. Likewise, you will be you will be seeing some tabs.
Hmm.
In general, what you will do in general for to achieve this logic. In general, you will go for the UL and also LI. The LI you will do the unordered list, and then you do LI. In the LI you will do the this HTML. I mean,
Right.
we'll just mention the tags over there, and
Yeah.
after that, what you will do, you will do the anchor links for that. Or if you can you within the form within the link itself, you just give the href. You will be mentioning the HTML where it should get routed. So
Mm-hmm.
in general, it is like in general, I mean HTML, legacy HTML, it is like that. But coming to this routing mechanism from the React, it is like every component will be under React uh, router DOM. It will import a route I mean keyword from the React. So with this, I mean, with this route keyword, we will be getting the HTML, and then you can able to use the, I mean, the route as a class, and you can pass the parameters to it. For example, if you want to go to the home library, or if you want to give some path or to access some component, you just have to mention like route path equal to the path name you have to give, and also the component whatever you want to render, that particular component you have to give over there. So it's like a, yeah, it's just like a combination. A route HTML tag is a combination of path and component. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
yeah, let us start from the index.html, and then we will see how this route mechanism is working, and how effective it is in the front end. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, just at very initial point, what we are taking is div id equal to root. For everything, whatever we are going to root, it's document dot get element by id. We are going to
Mm.
route everything for the root, and then this is our total component. Okay,
Right.
right. So yeah. So first we'll come for the India from this index.html, and then the where it is getting triggered is here in this index.js, and here it is triggering on component. What is this component doing is router. It is importing one router from the React router DOM. Okay. Uh,
Mm.
Here whatever I have imported some. These are the components. Okay, and also. Uh, so these are the libraries, right? Okay. So,
Mm.
in the libraries, what and all I am importing? I am importing the render. What for I am importing is render for this rendering our HTML to the root. For that purpose,
Okay.
I am importing. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
And the next thing is this React, and also I am going to take this browser routing, and also root and link.
Mm-hmm.
That's the different things I am importing. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I have three components. We'll go through these components one after the other. And
Mm.
let us take like this is a function. This is a function constant.
Mm.
This is a function.
Yeah.
What is our function name? Is basic example.
Basic. Mm.
Okay. And then I am giving one arrow and then arrow symbol, and then I am taking this router.
Mm.
So in this router is coming from where? This one.
Mm. Mm.
And also what I am going to do here, I am going to take one div and then total page as a one div, and then I am giving in the UL unordered list. I am giving like li link. Link is one more keyword I am importing from the React router top. Then
Mm.
to slash.
Mm.
Always slash will represent the home.
Mm.
Okay, whenever in the I mean general HTML also the
Mm.
slash is nothing but home. If you are giving the path as slash,
Okay.
that means it is home.
Mm.
And if the second thing is I am going to route for one router. This is the routing mechanism. I am not triggering any component here.
Mm-hmm.
I am just designing my routes.
Mm.
Yeah, these are the so what is meant by the route, right? You really have this small idea. See, localhost 3000 is there. But 1 second.
Yeah.
So the thing is now we can say see, this first I will start for the example so that I will show you what these terms are. Okay. So see this slash this topics about and home.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Those are nothing but routes. First
Okay.
one is just a slash.
Mm.
Second one is
Okay.
slash about.
Mm.
Third one is topics.
Okay.
How they are rendering here, because we are calling the components.
Mm. Mm.
We are calling those respective components. That
Okay.
part is this part. Okay. So
Mm.
after
Okay.
what is this? What is the meaning of this? Is we are just going for the paths only. We are just declaring the parts of the routes
Okay. Okay. So far.
so far.
Mm.
Then the very next point is like we are going to declare the component for that path.
Mm.
So for which path, which component is going to execute. Okay.
Mm.
So for that purpose, you just give route exact path equal to slash, and then I am giving home, and the route path equal to slash about component some about. So where this home, about, and topics are coming from, they are coming from the my import of
Import.
yeah,
Oh,
of,
okay.
of that particular component.
Mm.
So if I am going here, definitely it should be that file name and also this about should be same.
Mm.
Also this export also should be same. Then
Mm.
only I can able to import over here, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Then only I can able to import over here.
Mm.
Yeah. There should be alignment between the naming conventions.
Mm.
So the likewise you can import the component and then you can mention the component for that particular path.
Mm.
Okay. So and also here I have declared for slash means home, and about slash about is like about component, topics
Mm.
for the topics component.
Okay.
So now we'll go and see the first component like about component.
Mm.
This about component, what I am giving here in this, I am mentioning here. This is about the company X. Okay, something I have given here. So I am giving one div and then some header I am giving, and I am
Mm.
exporting this component.
Okay.
Yes, same wise I am going to do for home.
Mm.
Like home, and also I am mentioning I am exporting the home
Correct.
and topics. In these topics, a little different here.
Mm.
So I have taken link and the route from the React DOM, and I am giving here the first one is like uh, this topic ID header header I am giving like this. So it will be like this. Topics is my header. Okay, topics is my header. Okay, so this is a topic ID, and yeah, and here the thing is like I'm going to route. I mean render this topics constant. Here I am giving like topics, and then I am going for one unordered list, and here I am giving li, and I am giving the link to which to match dot url to match dot url slash rendering slash components means every time when I am clicking on these links, what will happen, they will go for the this rendering route, and it will render the with this text. I will show you that one. This one. Rendering is a text. Yeah, and also yeah, this one. And for the components again, this is for props and states. Components is like components. Prop state v again. It's like prop v dot state. Suppose you are yes. So this one, once you're clicking on this, again you will be having all these different components and all. You will be displaying within the same component. You can able to route this rendering and also components and also props v state. If you see here, there will be change here. This is a navigation within a navigation. Okay,
Okay.
say it's a route within the same navigation.
Mm-hmm.
And I have given here some div Tokyo and New York and then Chennai, Japan. I have
Mm.
mentioned that is his one, but the routes where it is happening is here like a route path I am giving, and a match URL is our localhost URL, and then I am giving here topic ID component is like topic, and then here the first path is like match URL, whatever the URL up to the topic, it's like it will be here, and please select the topic. If you mention, select the topic.
Mm.
This is the first one. When you click on these topics, this will come. So once I'm clicking on this topic, I will be first one is like rendering that will be displayed, and then rendering React is like the component rendering React with is a li name, link name. Okay. Yeah, it's just like in how we are giving the li, right? You remember in
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
li, right? Same likewise. We are just mentioning this is a change within the same component. We are going
Mm.
to change the same component in view with a different parts.
Okay.
That's so this is very useful example
Mm.
when you are doing coding or when you are
Yeah.
starting your
Mm.
programming. Yeah. Mm. Any doubts about it?
No, I think I'm good so far.
Okay. So I will send you this example. Just go through it,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and we'll connect tomorrow for some other different topic.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. You will send me this one, right?